All right, so we believe that this area right here, it's a key level, right? This 60, it's a key level. As long as the price, ladies and gentlemen, is above 60 and a clean break at the open momentum brings it, I'm expecting a 12-point continuation up all the way to 72. There's nothing stopping the price on a clean break of the high from going to 72. As long as the price is below 60, then, you know, we just had this announcement. And then we need to break 55. All right, we need to break 55. All right, so 60, clean break of 60, I'm expecting a continuation to 72. All right, clean break of 55. Okay, 55, clean break of 55. Where is 55 here? All right, clean break of 55. Then the bulls take control. So from here, from these 5 points is no man's land. 55, 60, 51, 50, 55, 61. These 6 points is no man's land. So price is going to chop here, right? Now, clean break of this 55 right here is key, because then we're expecting a test of this little low right here, this pivot low, a test of 50, a test of 47, and a continuation all the way to 42. So 42 is target 1 for the bears, and 72 is target 1 for the bulls. Alrighty. All that information is extremely important. Okay, so I'm changing it to 57. We need a clean, forget about 55, it's 57 now. A clean break of 57, bears in control. All right, 57, 57. So I'm moving the 55, I'm moving it all the way to 57. Okay, all right. So for the bears to take control and have a ride all the way to all those levels that I told you, price needs to break 57. All right, okay, so now, as long as the price is above 57, we are expecting a continuation all the way to 72. 57, 72. So break of the 61, our 61. Remember what I told you 5 minutes ago. Clean break of 61. 72, right? 61, 60, 60, 61. So we are after 12 points on what we believe this is the main play. Okay? Right? So right, everything nice and clean. Yeah. We waited for the open. It broke 61. We moved the 55 to 57. You know 5 minutes ago that we are on our way to 72, so we're after 12 points. What's up, Steve?
I have a gold digger bull.
Okay, so terrific. Oh, okay. Oh, that's what you've been trying to tell me for the past couple of minutes. All right, so we have an odd enhancer that, yes, indeed, the main play is long. All right, so we have direction up, we have the entry location, that break of 61, we all saw it right there, beautifully, breaking 61. We already knew that the price was gonna go to 72. Those are the odds, and so we're going to ride this position all the way to 72, and 55 is no longer important. All right, it is 57 now. Okay. We need to understand that. This is what's up. 57 is extremely important now. It is 57 is the pretty much the trail. So that doesn't mean that if the price plummet to 57 that we're gonna get out. 57 is support, right? We need to see how it's gonna behave there. Okay. All right. So let's write it. All right. Everybody knows that. 72 by way of that of what? Of 66. Everybody knows that by way of 66. 66 is not gonna be easy to take. We all know that, 66. Oh my God, yeah, that's right. So we have this 66 right now here, strong support, and we have 57. So we have 57, 66. We have a 9 point that the market is gonna give everybody a hard time. 61, trading 101. Support we can resist, resistance we can support. We know the importance of 61, clean break of 61. We're expecting 72, but we're not expecting it on a clean, nice ride, right? So let's see these 57, 66, right? Clean break of 57, then we change hats, and we are on our way to 50, 47, and what was the other one, mistake? And 42.
42, yeah.
Okay, alrighty then. So let's see what's gonna happen here. All right, this 66, ladies and gentlemen, it's important, right? I'm just about to make 66 a destination, just about. Alrighty. So think about that destination, right? Destination is a little bit. It's not as strong as a target, but it's stronger than by way of, right? By way of, we can counter trend now. Destination, we really take a calculated risk. Look at that. Look at 61 holding nicely, right? Price breaks. Comes right back down. The second mouth they add to a winner. The scalpers add to a winner. Second mouth establish a new position long 61. They know, like we do, that the price is going to 72. So they're gonna take a chance. All right, 66. The fact that the price just took okay 66, remember 66? Give us comfort that we are indeed going to make 12 points on this trade. After the 30 point parabolic action of the economic release, we dare to go long again. After 30 points, we'll go long because it's going to continue going up, and it's going to 72. We know all of that when the price is 60, 55, 56, right?
Right.
It's not easy to go long at the high after the market's gone up 30 points, Mystique.
That's right.
All right? I have you know. But we do it because we know when a breakout it's real and when it's not. And not only we know when a breakout is real, we know when a breakout is real, and we know where it's going. I mean, we have the odds. Nobody really knows, but you know what I mean, right, Mystique?
I know exactly.
All right, so that's 70, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, stop break even, start trailing. We're up 10 points. What time it is? It's 9:43, 13 minutes after the open. All righty. How long has this trade second mouth long 61 been? Well, look at that. It's 9:35, right? 35, not even 10 minutes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so target 1, 72, hit nicely. And so we just made 12 points. And what did I say we should do at target 1 since the overall market direction is sideways? Yes, the internals are bullish, so we have to be really careful. But if the overall market direction is sideways, we take a calculated risk and we take a counter trend short. Price goes to 72.25. So that's one tick, right? One tick so that you can get fill limit if you wanted to. Righty? Uh-oh. And right? And look at the immediate pullback, right? All the way to 70, right? Oh my God, 2 points in 2 quantum leap seconds. Oh, okay. You know, sometimes this is as strong as it gets, right?
That's right.
All right, so watch out. Okay. All righty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Alrighty then. So we had a couple of points of a fast pullback. Then we never let a winner turn into a loser. Remember, counter trends is with a very small position. We logged 12 points right here at 72. We are on the lookout for target 2 now, so there's no reason to get all out. Okay, no reason at all to get all out. We need target 2. Okay, alrighty. Unless I tell you to get all out, change hats, you stick with the plan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I have target 2. Target 2, ladies and gentlemen, is 88. Okay, 88 is target 2, and this 88 is this 88 target 2 is okay. Hold on a second. Target 2, right? Okay, it's temporary. Okay, temporary. Target 2. So that means that I'll probably change it. Take off a couple of points, give a couple of points. So in other words, it's dynamic. All right. Well, everything here is dynamic, but you know what I mean. Dynamic target 2, 88. All right, that's target 2. Our job is to write it to 88. Okay, so that's 76. Back to 72. You all know that this area right here above 72, 74, 72, 76, right, is an area of resistance for a counter trend, right? Okay. No, Capi, I'm not gonna counter trend. This is too strong. I agree with you. All right. If it doesn't go with us right away, just don't mess with it. Okay. Let's just go 88, right? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we want 10 more points. All right. So we just hit 70, 78. Let's call it 78, 78, 88. We want 10 more points. Okay. So we want right. Target 1 was 72, 72 to 88. Okay. Okay, so we want 16 more points. All right, so we made 12 points here to target 272, and we want 16 more to target 2. And remember, target 2, I need to continue watching it in case that smart money change it on me, which they do, and then I'll bring it down. Or if I see that on the contrary, they're expecting to completely go to the moon today, we'll bring it up, right? Okay, so it is at 88 for now. Alrighty then. So, okay, so what is that? 84, kind of 84, right? All right. So remember, so this is the reaction of the ISM, which our job is to be able to determine the reaction of all the economic releases. There is a lot of traders, they're scared of the economic release because it's too volatile, and if they are in the wrong side, they're gonna get destroyed really fast. We here, on the other hand, we love these economic releases because we can tell that the smart money already knows the results, and they know exactly what they're doing, and they leave footprints. We read the footprints, and then therefore we know what the odds are as to how the market is going to react based on that economic release. All right, so we wanted 88, and I told you that it was a dynamic target. I told you I'll probably bring it down, bring it up. All right, so let's see what we're gonna do about it. Okay. All right, so remember I told you, right? I'll bring it down, bring it up. It's dynamic. Well, I gotta tell you, 76 is really important now. This 76 right here, as long as the price is below 76, the bears are in temporary control. All right, for us to comfortably ride unit 2 all the way to 88, we need to be comfortably above 76. As long as below 76, the price is below 76, then bears are in control, and I need to see where is it that they want to take it to. Okay, so the first support, right? The first support is 66. Okay, 66. Here we go. All righty. Think about it, right? So what's the so we are in this 10.6676 no man's land, right? Price needs to be above 76. It doesn't matter how long it takes, right? It'll go to 88. All right. So this 10 points right here is no man's land. 66 is the low. 76 is the high. All right. And what's the key level right here? 72. Hour 72. This is the level that we want to watch like a hawk. Hour 72. Remember that 72, I told you, was a good candidate for a counter trend. Sure, the momentum took it to 83, 11 points. No, so what? It's terrific. We wanted to go to 88. I'm just telling you that the reason that we had this beautiful pullback right here is because the counter trend strength of 72. Okay. So in other words, because remember, our counter trends, of course, those of you who took the 76, beautiful, right? Remember that our counter, the reason this is a target is because we know it's going to be a strong resistance. Momentum took it, that's it. And we wanted to take advantage of it. But look at it, 72, look at where the price has gone already, all the way to 70, so 2 points below, right? Even for one of our traders to take a limit and you just hanging there tight, look at it, 70 and change. It is below 76. So this counter trend is in pretty good shape right now. Think about it. Isn't that beautiful? Look, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't get any better than this, does it? I just told you, right? Are you kidding me? You know, this break of 72 is going to take the price all the way to 66. It just went to 60. It just went to 66, 75. And look at the bounce. Boom, bam, bing, right? So, because remember what I told you. Just because the price is going to go all the way to 66, you don't want to get all out of your second unit. We are going to do everything in our power to go to 88 with our second unit. And remember, target 3 is easily, not easily, it could easily be all the way to 4,400, right? We're going to ride this baby all the way to 400 from 60, right? That's 40 points that we're going to make on target 3. As long as I don't tell you to get all out, and if you are all in all out and you are locking 10, 15, 20 points, and then the pullbacks take you out because, you know, that's just the way you like it, then get back in because remember what I told you. The overall market direction is slightly bullish, and all the internals, which nobody knows what they are but me, are bullish too. So, but you want to pay attention to that. Alrighty, boom, back to 76, and look at that beautiful move up. Are you kidding me? Let's go ahead and ride it to 88. I might change it. I might bring it down to 81 right here, 81, 83. I might not. Okay. All right. So let's ride it. So we knew that a break of 67. I told you, hey, listen, don't take all that hit because a clean break of 67, price is gonna go to 61 right here, 61 right there, right? Look at the way it plummeted from 71 to 61, 10 points. Are you kidding? No. All right, we know that below 72, the bears are in control. 76 is the high of the 10-point channel, micro channel that I told you about. Right? Look at that. Okay, 61. Price just went to 62.5. So I missed it by 6 ticks, by a point and a half. Well, this pullback, you know, it's not over. and gentlemen. It's beginning to get okay. It's beginning to, well, it's not beginning. It's not beginning. It's continuing being a tough day. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a new read is coming. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, big time chop right now. Bulls and bear right now, they have equal strength. What does that mean? We have, it's a coin toss to know if this thing is going to break to the downside or it's going to break back up to the upside. So what does that do? We're going to have to bring target 288. We're going to bring it down because it's getting far away. Why? Because of what I just told you. Bulls and bear, they're both equally strong right here, right now. So this is a trade what you see type of environment. Alrighty. Okay. And the market just went out of balance. So we are in limbo, and the market condition, right? The environment, it's a total limbo environment. And the market condition is out of balance. All right. So is it getting tough in terms of the hell are you here? Okay. In terms of follow through, out of balance. All right. So the overall market direction is still slightly bullish. All right. Still slightly bullish, but with conditions that that are gonna make it tough for the price to continue to pay attention to it. Alrighty, okay. Okay, so we need to know all of this so that we know what to do with our position. Alright, 60, right? Okay, 60, 61. 60, 61. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I believe that's 61.5, isn't it? 61.5, isn't it? Look at that beautiful bounce all the way. So I said 60, 61, and 61.5. So I'm still missing it by 2 ticks. So you know the the intensity of the chop in which we are right now. Okay, right here, right now, 66. Alrighty, 66. The market is gonna chop us, all of us, right here. So, but now we have a key level now, right? Which can last the entire day, as long as the price is above this 66 right here that I just put right there, 66. Then sure, there is a chance that we'll get target 288 and remember 400. It's gonna take all day, all right, and not before getting chopped out here. So if you're gonna stay trading and the price above 66, you wanna be long. Price is below 66 and you wanna continue trading, it's gonna be tough, but you don't wanna be long. It's not that you necessarily wanna be short, because that's just way too tough on this type of condition, right? Above 66, let's do 88. All right, long story short. Right? 66, right? I just told you. Look at the way it took it. Just look at it. Look at the way it took it. Look at the way it took it. That's the way it needs to do it. That's the way the smart money needs to take it. Look at that. From 68 right here, 69, 70, from 70 all the way to 64. Bam! And look at this. Look at this bar right here. Look at the way it took 66. So who do you think is in control right now? Well, the bears. I told you. You don't want to be. So in other words, you don't want to buy 61. You don't want to buy 61. You don't want to buy 57. You don't want to buy. Not that it's not going to work, but if you're going to trade this tough market condition and this market environment, just make 66 your best friend. That's it. 66. You will see how the market eventually is going to react once and for all off of 60 root 66. So correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe this is 87.75, isn't it? So one tick to our target 88. I tried to get it a couple of times. And, okay, hold on a second. And stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, because as long as I don't tell you to change hats, I'm expecting a continuation all the way to the 400 today, all righty? So stay tuned, okay? I'll be right back. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, so target 288, reach, right? That's pretty good, 88, right? So since we are long from 61. So we are up 27 points on this target 2. We already made 12 points on target 1 when the price went to 72, right? All right, so there is no reason at all whatsoever to be all out. I believe that the price is going to continue going up, and I believe that it's going to go to a psychological level, which is 400, all right? So that's 400. That's 10 more points from here. Now, it's not going to get to 400 in a straight line. It's going to get there by way of 93, 96, all right? So this is what we're going to do. Target 3, right, is 400. Actually, it's a little bit more. It's 402. But we're going to leave it at 400 because we all know it's a psychological level, right? But it is going by way of 93 and 96. In other words, what's going to happen from now on is the price is going to continue going up. It's going to find resistance right there at 93, 96, this 3-point range. It's going to be there for a while. We have to understand that it's almost 3. So bonds close in 5 minutes. And then we're going to be able to see if as long as the price is above our 88, and of course the squeeze of 88 is 83, we know that, right? But as long as there is no clean break to the downside, I am expecting a continuation. It's not going to be easy taking 93 and 96, like I said, but it's on its way to 400 and maybe even more. So that's pretty much what to expect from now on. Those of you who are still trading, go ahead and of course, you're trailing, right? We already made 27 points when the price got here at 88 and 12 points when we got 72. So let's go ahead and let it ride.